Big John, Big John.
All right, good Friday morning, everybody. It's 7:25, and it's a little foggy out. It's actually lifting now. I'm on my way to look at a grain bin, possibly buy it and bring it home. Well, we're on 6 and 199, and must have been an accident in the fog here, so we're rolling through. But yeah, people, you got to slow down when it's foggy. You got to be careful. Anyway, we got fire department, EMS. Looks like a couple of state troopers, 3 or 4 of them here. Doesn't look like it's on 6. It actually looks like it's on 199.
Keep left to Bowling Green Road East.
Anyway, we're going to Berkey, Ohio to look at a 24-foot, 7,000 bushel bin. And I got the trailer, chains, binders, cribbing. See if we can't get it bought and get it home. Oh, we got a car on its side. That's not good. And we got a van. No, pickup truck with a cab.
Continue on Bowling Green Road East.
I hope nobody was hurt. Anyway, go up here and hit the big road and head north. Wow, I bring the camera up here and you can actually see better through the camera. It's quite foggy. And this is a 70-mile-an-hour road, and well, you can see on the dash I'm rolling 65, but yeah, this is not fun. People are passing me. But anyway, we got lights on the side. We got a truck coming in. Alright. Well, yeah, you get the picture. Okay, well, we made it up here. I'm early. It's 8:20. Supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. Well, I wasn't sure how long it was going to take, and with it being foggy and stuff like that, I left a little early. So anyway, we'll hang out here and wait for Nathan to get here. All right, we did the deal. There is a 24-foot grain bin, floor, and the fuel tank. So we got a load. There's all the floor sections, floor supports. We got chutes and troughs and angles and all kinds of stuff in the back. So we're gonna head home, and hopefully we'll drive about 10 miles, and we'll stop and check all the straps and stuff. Anyway, we'll see you then. Okay, we made her home. No drama. No drama. 80 degrees already. So everything made it. Nothing jiggled, wiggled, or anything else like that. And we have a giant jigsaw puzzle. They labeled most of it. All the floor sheets. I don't know about the roof sheets, I can't see them, but these are all the roof sheets, ladder. These are all the supports that go under the floor. These are the bin sheets, and the big door. This is the lid for the top of the bin. And then I picked up a fuel tank. The only thing is it doesn't have legs under it. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to do on that. I figure I can make something, some kind of a skid put on it. This is all the floor, and it's all labeled. 38, 36, 34. So there's underside. I think that's the outside. That's the actual dump part. And there's the center tube right here. This is the tube that goes under the floor. The augers are in really good shape. They put the new floor and the auger, unloading auger in it. I think he said 2012. So yeah, so it's just like my other bin. It's in the flatbed trailer. It's an older bin, but everything inside of it's new. So we'll get the Bobcat out and start getting this stuff unloaded. I don't know where I'm going to put it for now, but we'll get her all staged somewhere. This is your center sump. This one goes right in the center of the floor, and then that one and that one are your intermediate and outside sumps. And these are the doors. This is one of the doors for that. So yeah, like I said, a giant jigsaw puzzle. Start getting everything unstrapped, unchained. Straps all stayed good and tight. Chain loosened up a little bit, but I didn't have it really super tight because I didn't want to crush anything. This chain here, I used the boomers on that. I didn't use the ratchet binders, I used the boomers because I figured I'd need the ratchet straps or the ratchet binders for this stuff. So yeah, we got things. I'm not sure what a lot of this is, but I'll figure it out. I'm gonna have to get a bolt kit and get her figured out. This is the top ring. The roof panel's attached to this. So yeah, here's your center bolts there. Go to these bolts. All right. Life light going overhead. All right, so I got everything unchained, unstrapped, all the chains and straps put away. We're gonna do some sketchy stuff. Like I said, this tank does not have feet on it, so I'm gonna have to figure something out to do with that. I've got an idea, but we're gonna see if our short forks can take her off of there. shade. I put a block underneath the sides of it so it won't roll. Decent tank, 500 gallons, got a pump, automatic shut-off nozzle on it. The nozzle's got a swivel on it. So, yeah. Hopefully the pump still works. They said it did. Okay, Dad showed up. We got all the floor supports on a pallet and tied. Ruckus supervised. So, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put these. Okay, for now, we've got the side sheets here. We had to take, well, when we loaded it, this was one bundle here. And then this bundle and that bundle were together. Well, my Bobcat won't pick that much up. So I got this one off. And then we took this many sheets off of this stack and made another pile. So I got them out here temporary for right now. We're gonna pull the truck up in here and take these. I flipped a couple of my racks upside down and we're going to stack the floor on top of that. So that's what's next. Okay, whew. It's a few hours later. So I got the Bobcat and grabbed a couple of these racks that I got. A buddy of mine used to work at a crankshaft facility in Fostoria, and he got me all these racks. They just scrap them. Big oil field cranks come in them from across the pond, and they don't send them back, so they scrap them. Well, he got me a bunch of them. So I took 2 of them, turned them upside down, and then me and Dad stacked all that floor on there. I got some stuff underneath there in the tube. I was going to slide the tube under there, but I ain't strong enough, so it can sit right there. Got everything out of the truck. The roof panels are left. So what I'm going to do is, there's 2 more racks here. There's one on top. There's a second one there. I'm going to bring them down, flip them upside down, put them in top of these ones, take the roof panels and lay them up on that. Yeah. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh, you got scuffed. Nope, I guess it come off. Anyway, brought them racks down here, set them up, and look at that. Took a few wiggle tries, had to slide down a little farther, but yeah, that looks good. And yeah, so actually over where you see that white tank, the green vertical till, the rolling harrow and inline ripper parks back there too. There's still 2 old corn crib pads back there. There was 3. I tore one out. I thought about, you know, trying to use them and put more concrete in, but they're not spaced right, so they got to come out. And I gotta get some bin foundations put in. I'm gonna go talk to, go down to Attica and talk to the Brock dealer, Custom Agri Services, and get the specs and stuff for a 24-foot bin. Because this is a 24-foot bin, and the one in the flatbed trailer is a 24-foot bin. And I'm actually working on a deal for another one. That one's close enough though. If I get it, I'll get a crane or a big shooting boom, and we'll just measure it halfway. We'll take it apart halfway, leave it round, take the top half off of it, set it on a trailer, bring it over here, unload it, go back, get the second half, bring it over here, unload it. So basically I need three 26-foot diameter bin pads. 26-foot diameter pad for a 24-foot bin. And then I'm working on an 18-foot too, also. Same deal. That'll be a split in half, top half off, bottom half off. And yeah. Anyway, We got some blocking on the trailer to get rid of. Put that away, get the trailer unhooked, and we're good. What is it? It's only 4:15. So we might get in the tractor and do some inline ripping. I don't know, we'll have to see.